and welcome to this course on WordPress malware removal. I'm Fab, and I'm a WordPress specialist and a digital consultant and troubleshooter with coding experience. When there are problems, my job is to find a solution, organize a plan, and find really the best way in the short term to solve it. I worked in the last 4 years with WordPress, and I discovered that aside from being a very good platform and an amazing platform, it has also some pitfalls. These are not totally related to the core itself, but rather regarding the sets of plugins and themes that are installed into the platform. Many websites are, for example, attacked on a daily basis, and this is something that may happen just overnight, even if you didn't do anything in particular. Now, it's not ideal, obviously, to wake up in the morning and find that your WooCommerce powered website is not selling anymore, or that your agency is not publishing articles because the users can't log in or register anymore. Or let's say you run a government page and it's been like hacked and it has a sort of pop-ups which open every time someone visits the website or redirect to a malicious website. Well, all those things are related to the fact that WordPress can be hacked, and it happens for a lot of reasons, different reasons. But the good news is that I've worked really well, I would say, in this sense, to create a standard operating procedure that will help you to efficiently clean your hacked website. Now, there are a lot of tutorials around, and you may think, well, what's new about this course? My course is not best, and I'm not teaching you rocket science. My course is a bit more organized maybe than the tutorials I watched around, because it has a few steps that even the less techy person can follow, and we know really difficult. You have just to follow and stick with the plan, I would say, and you will be easily understand the situation behind our WordPress hacked website, and also to tackle the problems. I will try to keep things as simple as possible and offer clarity on the task that you have to perform. So I've decided to create this course really to provide you and other users like you with all the tools and all the steps that are needed. I've also created in the last part of the course a PDF that you can download and keep for a reference. It's pretty simple, but it covers all the steps, so you can really just follow it and you will be able to clean a website. Now, the malware is constantly evolving. I can't promise you this course will help you to always clean and do the job, but still I'm trying to give you the knowledge to understand what is a malware inside WordPress, how it works, and what you have to do to clean your website. So if you're interested to keep up with me, I will make everything I can to follow you, provide support, but I'm not going to clean the websites for you. This is something you have to do yourself, but I will be here to support, to help, and to give you all the information needed. There are no hidden costs, there are no extra. The only thing you may decide to join is our community. This is a short upsell that I decided to put on the course because we can together brainstorm each other, put our experience, and we need to be updated about what's going on into the scene, about the malware, the new virus that attack websites. So it's a community that I want you really to be a sort of lab to brainstorm and to help each other. So I really hope you will enjoy it, and I hope you will enjoy the course. If you have any question, any request, please contact me. I'll be here to support you, and I'm pretty sure you will enjoy the course. Thanks for buying the course, and thanks for watching the video. Talk soon. Bye.